Welcome guys to another video. My name is Denise, aka Love for My Curls, and this is my channel dedicated to my curly hair, everything to do about hair. Again, I might incorporate some things along the way, but for now I just wanted to talk about stuff that I use on my hair and anything hair related really. So welcome to my channel. If you are new, please watch this video to the end. I'll be talking about some useful information about my product reviews on the leave-in conditioners that I use, so please stay tuned. If you like what you see, please comment, like and subscribe and share this video, and yeah, let's get started. So in my last video I was talking about my deep conditioners and my conditioners, basically my wash day routine. So I'm kind of following a theme here. So I thought today I would talk about the leave-ins that I use. Again, leave-in conditioners ain't for everybody. I know that there's some people out there that will just skip from using their deep conditioners and their conditioners and go straight on to using a styler. But for me, I feel as though the leave-in conditioners really set the tone for the rest of my wash day routine. It's like the primer, it's like the base, like the base when you're doing your makeup. Again, I like a primer before I add my foundation, that type of thing. So I definitely love using a leave-in before adding on my stylist, because it just adds that essential moisture. If I'm using a gel or anything that's quite drying at the end of my styling process, then again it's not too drying because it's had that primer, which was the leave-in. So yeah, I'm going to be discussing different leave-ins today as well. These are my favorites. I've tried many along the way, but these are the ones that are my ride and die, the ones that I would definitely go to should I need to. My hair is actually color treated at the moment, so I tend to like a lot of moisturizing products or something that's going to add a little bit of strength to my hair as well. So these are the ones that I like to use. They're quite readily available on the internet. They might not be readily available in the UK if you are based in the UK, but again, I will talk about where I bought mine from, to be honest with you. Where I bought the leave-in conditioners from. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product that I wanted to talk about today is the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner, which looks like this. And yeah, this is a really good one. This one, the one thing about me is smells. I love lovely smelling products on my hair. I love lovely smelling perfumes on my body. I love smelling lovely stuff in the atmosphere. So whether I'm at home, having something really smelling nice, just kind of adds that kind of that feeling of just peace and calmness in my life. So yes, I definitely love something that's really nice and smelling, and I love something that's like, oh, what are you wearing type of thing, whether it's on my hair or my body. But anyway, that's just me. So the first one is really, so in terms of the smell, this again smells really fruity, lovely. It just smells delicious, like a delicious type of smell. And in terms of the consistency, it's quite thick, but for me it's a funny one because it's not like overly thick. It's quite smooth. So yeah, and it's quite smooth. It's not too tacky, it's not too runny as well. But in terms of the moisture, oh my gosh, it packs a moisture punch. And this is TGIN. They've got two different leave-in conditioners. This personally for me, I prefer because I think it's a lot more moisturizing and I love the smell. And because it's the Miracle Repair line, I'm tending to go towards things that are a little bit more repairing for my hair because my hair is color treated. So yeah, so I love this one. I love using it on my daughter's hair as well. It's very moisturizing. Even though my daughter's hair is not damaged, I still like to use it because it is very moisturizing. It detangles very well, and it's got some nice ingredients in it. Like the second ingredient is raw black honey, so again, really moisturizing. It's got the coconut oil in there. It's got the agave extract. It's got green tea as well. It's got so many lovely natural ingredients in this line. It retails for about, in the UK, I think I paid about between £14 and £17 for it, to be honest with you. And I just bought it on Amazon, to be honest with you. Most of the products I buy on Amazon unless I get it from the US. So yeah, so it's really nice, very nice moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So this is my first and probably one of my favorites. It's definitely up there. So yeah, so this is the first one. The next one I've got is by Curlsmith, which is the Curl Conditioning Oil in Cream. Yeah, oil and cream leave-in. And this one, so it comes in a bigger size, but I wanted to get the 2 fluid ounce one just because I wanted to see whether it worked well for my hair, you know, whether it made my hair feel tacky, greasy, and best of all, if it actually moisturizes my hair. So this one is really nice. This one is quite thick in consistency, so it's a bit thicker than the TGIM one. And in terms of the smell, it's got like a, how can I explain it? It's got a herbally smell, and I think it's actually got rosemary in it. Yeah, it's actually got rosemary in it. So it's got a herbally smell, but then it smells a bit woody and earthy, musky. You know what it is? Musky. It smells a bit between musky and herbally. It's just a mixture of those two, I think. So for me, it smells very nice. It smells very nice. It has some lovely ingredients in it. It's got shea butter. It's got coconut oil in it. It's got carrot seed oil, so it's got some nice ingredients in it. It's got olive fruit oil as well, so really nice. Aloe vera leaf juice. So nice leave in. This is one that I would think would be geared towards mainly hair that's extremely dry, or hair that's probably a little bit more thicker and coarser. My hair is fine, but I can use a little bit on it, like you know, a good amount, because well, you don't want to use too much. Sorry, you don't want to use too much because it is quite it can be a little bit oily, so, and greasy. So I tend to use just a little bit on wet hair, not drenching wet, but wet hair, and it works really well, and it just really moisturizes my hair. So I love this one as well. Love this one, and it retails for about £10. Again, I got it on Amazon, £10, and I think the bigger bottle is the bigger tub is around about between £20 and £22 mark. So yeah, so a good one as well. The next one I've got is the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner, which looks like this. And this is by Natural 85, which is Whitney, an OG in the hair community as well, and been around for years. And so she came out with her own line. And this one is very nice. I must say, I appreciate the size. Look guys, the size. It is 16 fluid ounces, and yeah, the size is good. So it's one of those products where if you are somebody that kind of gets through things quite quickly, then this is a good one, because this will last you a long time. I love the pump action as well. In terms of the consistency, it's a little bit more runny, not too runny. It's a little bit more thin. It's the thinnest one so far that I'll be talking about in terms of the other two that I was previously discussing. But in terms of the smell, this one smells minty, straight up mint. Toothpaste, but not in a horrible way, not overly powering with the mint, but you can definitely smell the mint. It smells very minty, it smells fresh. So if you are a person that loves that kind of smell, then this would be your go-to. And I love the fact that it is multi-use as well, so you can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a rinse out, and you can use it during the week as a refresh to add moisture to your hair. So for me, I don't know about you, but when I do my refreshing during the week, I don't like to drench my hair down. I don't like to spray it down too much, because sometimes it will take too long to dry, for instance, or it can actually add more tangles to my hair because it's just kind of a little bit wet. So I like something that is a little bit more creamy, that will sink into my hair during the week and add that essential moisture, you know, that pick me up that my curls need during the week. And then I seal it in with an oil as well. Again, I'll probably talk about my oils in a later video, my sealing oils, the oils that I love using. But yeah, this one is a nice one to just use on your dry hair. And to be honest, I use it today. I use it today to refresh my curls as well, and my curls feel lovely. They feel moist, they feel lush, like lush curls. So very nice, and I sealed it in with my oil as well. Would I say that this is very moisturizing? No, I think this is moisturizing. It's got a good level of moisture, but I wouldn't say, oh my gosh, it has a massive punch of moisture. I think it's for that kind of time where your hair's slightly dry, but it's not extremely dry. It just needs some essential moisture, you know, a little bit of a pick me up, but nothing that is like, oh my gosh, my hair is dry. When my hair is dry is when I'll go for the T-Dry or the Curlsmith. So yeah, but this one is still nice. This one has aloe vera leaf juice. It has argan oil in it. It's got hydrolyzed protein, so again, it's kind of good for the strength. It's got rosemary in it. Which actually seems to be a theme because the Curlsmith is one that's got it in there as well. It's got pro vitamin B5. So this one has got very, very nice ingredients. And again, I will be using this. I've been liking it as a refresh, to be honest with you. I haven't tried it as a rinse out, so I definitely will try it as a rinse out. But as a leave-in, nice, definitely nice. And as a pick-me-up during the week, I really, really love it. So this one is a good one as well. And it retails for about, actually, I got it on her website for, so I think it was about $22. I can't find it in the UK. I could only get on her website. So yeah, so this one's a good one and definitely one that I will keep using, and it does feel quite nice on my daughter's hair as well. So yeah, the next one I have, which is the cheapest one out of all of them, is the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, which looks like this. And this one, oh, the smell. It smells like apples. Even the colors, like as you can see, it's kind of like a slightly off green color, and it's green here as well. So yes, it smells like apples. For me personally, it smells like apples. It's got shea butter in it. It's got olive oil in it. It's got some really nice ingredients. Just trying to see if there's anything. Argan kernel oil in it as well. So yes, it's got some good ingredients. And to be honest, for the price point, it's very affordable. It retails for about £6 in the UK. Readily available as well. Again, I got it from Amazon, but really, really readily available. Again, it's very nice. It smells very smooth. It's the thinnest one though out of all the ones that I will be showing to you today. So yeah, oh god, it's really run down my hands. So yeah, so it's very thin in consistency. So if you don't really like anything that's a bit runny, then it might not be your go-to. But if you want something that's quite moisturizing, but you don't mind the runniness, then this is definitely something to use. Again, I love it for my daughter's hair. This is kind of the ones that I would say would be quite nice with it for the kids because of the smell, kind of like apple, kind of, you know, that kind of fresh, kind of fruity vibe going on. So I like this, to be honest with you. And it is very moisturizing and it really cuts through those tangles. So when my hair's been very knotted, again, maybe when it's been a while since I've washed my hair, I'll use this one. Also for my daughter's hair as well, when her hair gets very, very knotty, this one is very, very good to just get the tangles out. I use it on towel dried hair as well. Personally, I prefer it that way. So yes, it's really, really nice and it's very, very affordable. So again, another good one. And in terms of another one that I have, I've got the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother, which looks like this. And yeah, so this one's a good one. I wanted to add this into my video today only because I think this one is good for like when you're doing your straightening routine. So if I was to straighten my hair, I think this one would be a nice one because it's quite light. I think out of all of the ones that I have on the table, this is the lightest for me. Not in consistency, but in terms of how it feels on my hair. It doesn't feel too heavy, it doesn't feel too greasy, and it does actually help smooth out your hair when you're blow drying it as well. So it's got some good ingredients. Again, it's got dimethicone, which might not be a favorite of everyone because I know some people don't like the silicones, but this has got dimethicone in it. It's got it's got sunflower oil in it. It's got grapeseed oil, so it's good. It's got some nice oils in it. It's quite small though. It's only 100 milliliters, so it's not the biggest bottle. However, it's quite concentrated, so you only need a little bit. But yeah, I don't find that this is too greasy. I can't use it during the week though, because it does say you can use it on dry hair, but I personally find that if I use it on dry hair, it makes my hair too tacky. I don't really like it, and I don't really like it during the week. I don't mind it as part of my wash day routine, but not during the week. I would definitely say the during the week ones would be the melanin hair care one, to be honest with you. That one is a nice one. So yeah, again, a good one that I love. And yeah, the final one I have here is the Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner, Define and Moisturize. Oh, actually guys, so, and gals, I always forget to say that part. In terms of the price point of the Olaplex, it retails for about £25 in the UK. So yeah, it's about £25 in the UK. So yeah, it's a bit pricey, but it works, and it does make actually your hair feel good. And to be honest, I love using it as my straight, for my straight hair routine. Yeah. And in terms of this one, so again, Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner, Define and Moisturize. So this one, I got the big bad boy. I got the big bottle, the big tub, sorry. So it's the 25 fluid ounces, and I love the pump action as well. I love the pump action. It's really, really nice. And in terms of the consistency, it's kind of medium, to be honest with you. I feel like it's between the TGIN, it's a mixture between the TGIN and the Curlsmith. So it's not too thick, it's not too runny, it's kind of in between. And in terms of the smell, oh, this one, again, it's perfume. It just smells of a perfume. It smells very floral though, so if you don't like floral scents, you might not like this one. But personally for me, I love this one. I think it smells amazing. I think it makes your hair smell good as well. So it's one that kind of lingers on my hair personally. So I find that when I use it, it could be during that day and I just smell it in my hair. I've had actually a couple of people say, oh, what's in your hair as well? So it's one of those ones where it definitely has a strong scent. So if you're a person that doesn't like strong scented hair products, you might not like this one. But again, it's very nice. It's very moisturizing. It's got some great ingredients in it as well. It's got honey in it, avocado oil, it's got castor seed oil, it's got the hydrolyzed vegetable protein. So again, a little bit of strength there. It's got the argan oil as well. So again, biotin, it's got some very, very good ingredients in it. It says you can use on dry hair, but again, I've tried to use it during the week and it makes my hair feel tacky. I feel like the only one that I can use during the week on dry hair without wetting it down or dampening it is the melanin hair care one. But the Pattern Beauty one I would only use on my wash day routine. Very, very nice, very moisturized. The slip, the detangling properties is there. Like if your hair again is very tangled, this one will get through the knots in less than 10 seconds. Seriously, it will cut through those knots. So it's again a really nice one, and it adds a little bit of hold to your hair as well, which is quite nice. It adds a little bit of hold. So again, if you're someone that likes kind of like the one and done wash day routine, it will add a little bit of hold, but it's not going to add a massive amount of hold. You will definitely feel the hold, somewhat of a hold, but it's not an extremely hard hold. So yeah, so it might get soft, it might soften out after a couple of days, but again, it's quite nice. It's kind of a multi-use, I would say, with the moisturizing and the hold. So it is really, really nice. It is the most expensive one out of all my leave-in conditioners though, because I did get it from the US. I actually got it on the Pattern Beauty website, and I think it retailed for about $42 or something along them lines. So yes, it's quite pricey, but again, like this will last you. I mean, this tub, seriously, this tub is huge, and because I rotate with my leave-in conditioners, this one has lasted me many months. So yes, it's really, really lovely, really nice. So yeah, so these are my favorites. These are the ones that I love using. So yes, this is my leave-in conditioners, guys and gals. So yeah, so let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in my future videos. Please comment below, like, share and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos from me. Love from my curls. All right, take care. Have a great week. All the best. Bye bye.